This video is brought to you by Granger Warranty, your #1 online source for factory-backed extended warranties in the country.
So one of the things about this Corvette that I think they could have gone a little bit bolder with is the exhaust, especially coming out of the C7.
You think a little more Mustang exhaust, a little less what this is?
Well, so here's the thing. You can get the C8 Corvette with the standard exhaust, makes 490 horsepower, or the active exhaust, which has broken in this car apparently. What we have here is the gentle, comforting glow of a check engine light. I know, it has just 7,667 miles on it. Now here's the good news about all of this. We actually have an extended warranty thanks to Granger.
This is our 2020 C8 Corvette and we have a problem. One beautiful day, Roman was driving this car in the mountains, wind in his hair, and then there was a check engine light. So we're here at the dealership, Johnson Auto Plaza, to get it serviced. And this car is getting to be a little bit older. It's just over 5 years old, but not to worry, we have Granger Warranty. So this video is all about putting that warranty to work. How does it work? How much are we gonna have to pay versus the warranty? Let me show you the problem. All right, so I have my report from OnStar, so I can let you know, but let me start the engine. It comes to life, but then the check engine light on the right side right there remains. So we used OnStar basically to actually get the codes, which is fairly handy. And here I'm reading, it has two codes, P12F5 and P12F7. Basically, the core of this issue is something wrong with the valve or valves in the active exhaust system, which kind of changes how the exhaust sounds and also gives you a little bit extra performance, right? An additional 5 horsepower. So not ideal. So also this car doesn't have a lot of miles. So 7,808 miles after about over 5 years of use. So, but it also needs an oil change and needs a couple things. But we want to get this issue resolved. We want to enjoy this car, take it on more mountain road drives. So I need to get it into the service, and then we'll have to pay a deductible for the Granger warranty. But then, hopefully everything just gets resolved beautifully. From the time we purchased this used Corvette, we got a 36-month and 30,000 mile term from Granger Warranty, and we paid about $1,970, and this will take us through part of 2028, so we still have a lot of time left. And it's a $100 deductible, so ideally just pay the deductible and everything else should be taken care of. Alrighty, here we are. And if you have a new or used vehicle, you could use this service as well. Just use the link in the description below, check them out. You could save up to about $1,000 and get yourself covered for the long haul and hopefully get out of those high expensive repair costs and actually get the work done in a certified facility like this with OEM parts. All right guys, so it's been just a couple of days and I just paid for the repair and I have great news. We saved a bunch of money. So like I said before, we paid a $100 deductible, but Roman and I and Zach, we wanted to do a couple of other things to the car. We needed an oil change and we also needed, the brakes were a little squeaky. So the oil change and the brakes are consumables, so they're not part of the repair. So we paid, in the end, $591.78, and that includes a $100 deductible. That includes the oil change, which is down here, and the brake inspection and application of lubricant and so the brakes should not be squeaking anymore. But look at what we did save. So the exhaust actuator and the labor associated with it and everything associated with it is close to $1,200, maybe more, maybe about $1,300. So, hey, we only almost saved like $1,200 on one repair. And here's the car. So let's go check it out. Alrighty, let's fire this engine up and let's actually see that everything is all good. Wow, it wakes up really, really fast. There we go. Alright, so oil pressure, tire pressures, there's no lights. We have the seat belt warning. The engine is warming up. So no check engine light, nothing on this area. And also let me change some modes and let me make sure that, because the exhaust system does have a valve, so it should actually change. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I'm already hearing a difference. Whether Tour, Sport. Yeah, I heard a little bit of a change of tone. Track. I think I'm gonna drive in track mode. So that feels pretty good, saving about $1,200 on a repair such as this, and we still have a lot of life left in this extended warranty. It was painless, really, and pretty happy. You could do the same thing. Use the link in the description below. Check out GrangerWarranty.com. You could save about $1,000 compared to other extended warranties, and once again, it's factory backed, so you can be sure you are protected for the long haul. And I'll see you next time at oldtfl.com.